if majoritarianism cannot be the dictator of policy, then tell me, how does triple talaq and a Muslim women's right work, right? So here's the thing, there are two rights out here. One is the right of the Muslim woman, and the second is the right of the Muslim to practice his or her religion. The right of the Muslim to practice his or her religion says that the Supreme Court should not be interfering. No majoritarian interference. These are all Hindu judges sitting out there. No majoritarian interference in triple talaq. How dare you do that? But here's the other thing. If you consider the rights of the Muslim woman in this case against triple talaq, against the majority of Muslim men who support the All India Muslim Personal Law Board on this, which majoritarianism are you taking into account? How does this apply to Kashmir, for example? What is a majority? This is a very, very slippery slope. It's a very, very dangerous slope. And has it actually been an epochal event? I would say emphatically not. It has come last. It has been absolute anticlimax. It has normalized what we have respected and done culturally for a very, very long time. Finally, the laws caught up with what we do as a culture. There is no bravery in this. The next steps are going to be legalizing gay marriage, finding some kind of legal protections. But more than gay people, give a thought to the transgender people. They're the ones who really, really, really need this. So please, enough of the fake victimhood. Move on and give it to people who actually deserve it.